vlog. Dude, you guys are doing really good on watching the Z content. I didn't expect to hit 300 right away. We were so close to 300, we're about 20 subscribers away. When I post videos, I get probably 1 or 2 subscribers every few months. But we hit 300 instantly. We're at 311. I just want to say thank you guys. You guys are doing amazing. Y'all love the 350Z content. I do have 350Z content. It's just not here yet. We're just waiting. But I do have something maybe that would help you guys with headlights restoration. So we'll be doing a vlog on fixing my 350Z headlights, but we have to do something first. We have a side quest to do first. And the side quest is what y'all saw, me working on the 240, getting all the suspension back on just momentarily. Just getting the suspension back on. It's not gonna stay on. We still have a lot of work for the suspension. The reason why I put everything back on in that little intro that I did is because I have to get the Miata out. The Miata, I think I said it in the last vlog, the Miata is finally sold. The Miata will be getting picked up tomorrow. That's why I'm here late. It's probably about, nah, it's not even late. It's probably 7 o'clock. I got off work probably an hour ago. Hour or two hours ago. But anyways, yes, I am getting ready to get everything ready so I can move the 240, my 240 out, Jose's 240 out, so we can get this good clean shell Miata to its rightful owner. I will be doing it will be my first time actually showing a vlog of us letting go of a car. So we had big plans for this Miata. I'm gonna spoil it for everybody. Back when we first got the Miata, we had this K series, a JDM K24A sitting around, and I wanted to do a K swap. But we have bigger plans since we bought another Z. And at the moment, I really want to build this and put it into something else. I have a good clue what I want to build in it, but it'll probably take a couple years. Unless I blow up on YouTube and you guys make me a lot of money because of you guys. I'm just playing. Unless I blow up on YouTube and everything starts working out for me. Maybe, hopefully, in the next year or two, we can do something with this. 36,000 miles, beautiful engine. But yeah, I'm getting ready to let this beautiful Miata go. Sad that we parted away from the Miata, but it's okay, more will come. But, yeah. All right, guys, so I am done doing what I need to do with the S14. I have content for the S14. For the people who like watching the 1UZ build, all my content's over there for you guys. I do have stuff. I've just been focused on the 350Z that we got for Christmas. It's been fun, been really reliable. Drop a comment down below if you guys are liking the 350Z content. Let me know what you guys would like to see us do to our 350Zs. Drop comments down below. I'm down for anything. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, so we can start cleaning the rest of this up and getting ready to send the Miata off. It's gonna be a good one. Bye, Jose. Bye, Miata. It was nice knowing you. Even though we got you running and we didn't really do anything with you. Bye. There it goes. Adios. Now we gotta get these motherfuckers back in. Last night we sold the Miata. That's why the Jose's 240 is in the back now. We have so much more room now. I can actually start moving all this stuff that I moved out yesterday to get the Miata out the way. So I'm actually gonna start cleaning up in 3, 2, 1. All right, everything is pretty much clean as possible. Just take y'all around real quick. We got all our parts and an engine over there. We have more parts. Some of Jose's stuff, well, one of Jose's things. Jose has some stuff on his kayak. The S14 1UZ swap, the S13 SR swap, and our 350Z. And our work area, Jose's parts, kayak, fenders, OEM fenders, Jose's fishing gear. And that's pretty much it. Let's get today's vlog started. So, today's vlog is gonna be super simple, super easy. It's gonna be for all the people who want to clean their dirty, hazy headlights. This could be done for any car. I've done this once before on my Lexus IS 350 back in the day. I did it with a different brand. So I saw this at Walmart and I thought I would try it out. I'm pretty sure there's some good results, hopefully. But I'm gonna show you guys basically how to do it on your 350Z or any other car. Hopefully this will work for the 350Z. So before I start doing this, what we gotta do is we gotta make sure, we gotta clean the headlights, water, soap, or acetone. Clean the surrounding areas because you want to put masking tape so you don't get your paint all messed up. Well, shit. I'm gonna use acetone. Oh my god, look at all the gum, all the dirt. Bam, all right, my masking tape skills ain't the best, but we can work with this. Dude, make sure you get good masking tape because I thought I had enough masking tape, but yeah, M3 or 3M, really good masking tape. I'm using generic, but yeah, so this is what we're working with. So we have your drill, your different grits, and I think this is the pad to apply your buffing and polishing. And I guess this is a wipe. Oh yeah, that's a wipe sealant. And this basically is what you're gonna put your what are they called, your pads on. So you can use the drill, just start buffing out all these like imperfections. I want to say this is clear coat or the polish that stays on this. It looks kind of like clear coat. I know some people, I guess. I'm not 100% sure. I know they put clear coat on the headlights as well. When you buy these kits, they come in steps, and it's like attached drill, 1500 grit, 3200 grit, 4000 grit. Use the pad, blah blah blah. It's all self-explanatory. It tells you literally what to do on here. I want to restore the headlights, make this car look a little more newer, because these cars, man, dude, they don't age. Check the last video. We talk about it right here. Click that link, go watch the last video if you're a new subscriber. We talk about 350Zs and like if you should own one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys have any comments, drop your comments down below on other ways that you restore your headlights, or a more what is it called, advanced way to get your headlights back to looking really good. I do want to try to fix these OEM zinky ones, but if not, I will make a video of putting new headlights on. First step that we're gonna do 1500. One is for each side. Oh shit! No, the eliminate. So I actually got some 1000. I started with 1000, and because there's these yellow, you can see them right here, this tint. There's a shitload right here in this area. So I started using 1000 first, and then after that, I started using 15. They only give you 15, and 15 wasn't doing the job, so I bought 1000. So I still have all this area right here. You can feel it when you rub it, but all of this area that I just got done doing is gone. So if you're having trouble getting some off, go down lower, like from 15 to 1000, and it should get it off. If you can't get it off, go to, I think it's either 85, no, 850 or 750. It should get it off. And we'll do 1500 again, and then after 1500, we'll go to 3200, and then we'll keep on going up. All right, so we're done with the 15. We're gonna go to a 3200 now. Done with the 32 grit. You're gonna have to save this one for the other headlight, but we're gonna go to the 4000 grit, which is this color. It's like a gray, darker gray, or I don't know. I'm colorblind, guys. Don't make fun of me. But yeah, you're gonna repeat the same steps you did. So now we're done with the 4000 grit. Here comes the part that's probably gonna satisfy us the most, the polish. The polish is gonna be this foam pad. I'm gonna stick this bad boy on. Get your polish, open it up. I'm gonna put a penny, a nickel size in the center of it, which should be, that should be good enough. A lot of people usually dab it in the hair of shit is moving, so. Slowly move it. Oh my God, you can see the lights in them. That's so much better. Way better. Look at that. Look at the comparison. Wow. These headlights, they have aged. So there are gonna be some cracks. There's gonna be some scratches. But like, overall, dude, the product did what it said. It was gonna clear it. Look at that. There is a big difference. Dude, I'm content, dude. That for 20 bucks, whew. Look at that. Look at what I was dealing with. Crusty old headlights. But for 20 bucks to make it look like this, oh man, dude. Usually it costs about $100 to get your headlights done like this. But if you guys can do it just for 20 bucks, crazy. Big difference. Look at that. Wow. You guys know what to do. 20 bucks. Go get you Rain X, if that's the one you want to use, just like me. Meguiar's has one. A lot of Turtle Wax has one. There's a lot out there. Try them. Go ahead. All right, so Jose should be here any minute at the shop. Let's see what he thinks about the headlights. Dude, drop a comment down below if you guys think this product did pretty good. Look at that. Look at the significant difference on these two. Wow. He said his truck died. I think he's lying. He's lying. Let's get his reaction. Oh, we got another one here too. He was lying. Close your eyes, all right.
Huh?
Close your eyes, just close your eyes. Oh, you already saw it, didn't you?
No.
Okay, close your eyes.
What can you see like
Well, look that way and walk this way. I gotta get your reaction. All right, turn around.
Damn! That's pretty good.
There, right?
That's hella clear.
Right? But for being old age, it has like stretch cracks and stuff, so. But that's still better than what it used to look like, right? I was looking at the headlights and like you could see like the lights and all that stuff. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, dude! Look at that, bro! Look at that! That's so. Oh my God! It looks so good now. So much better. Wow, dude! It looks like a brand new Z. Comment down below and let me know what y'all guys think, dude. That's crazy. That looks really, really good. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. The guys are loading next door. But so me and Jose decided to do the 240, the Zinky headlights. And wow, man, like, wow. That's crazy. I do not have to get headlights no more. What I was gonna do with the 240 was gonna take off the old headlights, buy those Crystal P2M covered lenses and put them on, but nah. I think it's gonna hold up. Check this out. Oh my God, it looks so good for my Zinky lovers out there. Look at the difference. It looks so much better. Look at that. Oh my God, 30 years of coverage. Wow. So we are changing out these because this one is broken. Both of them are broken, the corner lights. But man, look at that. Wow, that is so amazing. Looks so good. That's crazy. So guys, let me know if you guys try this out. Drop comments down below if y'all done this before. Let's try to get at least 15 likes on this video. I like to dude, y'all are just doing good. You guys are doing amazing on watching the videos. Thank you so much. We hit almost 600 on our 600 views on our last video, which is crazy. Just thank you guys. Just keep on helping us out. Keep on liking our videos. I like to get to 15 likes, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog.